In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start making passive income promoting CPA offers. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. As you can see on my screen right here, this is a Pinterest account with only 30 followers. And this account is getting 6,000 monthly views. And you can see the content they post on this account is only giveaway and gift card offers. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do exactly the same thing and start making money with CPA marketing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to go over to cpagrip.com and you want to create a Cpagrip account. It's absolutely free and simple to create an account. You want to go through the offer list right here and you are going to see countries with gift card offers. An example of that is this offer right here that says enter for a 250 gas gift card. So if I copy this right here, all right, and I come over to Google and I paste it right here, and you want to come over to images, you can see these are gas gift card right here. So now basically you want to do exactly what this page is doing on Pinterest. You can see it's working for them. They are getting views to their account, and if they are getting views to their account, definitely some of these people are going to convert by clicking on these gift card images and completing their offers. So all you just need to do is download these images right here. An example is this one right here. All you just need to do is right click and download that image. So once you download the image, you want to basically upload it on Pinterest and you want to come over here to copy your link. So all you just need to do is copy this link right here, and then you want to come over to this website to shorten the link. So once you shorten the link, all you just need to do is click on create right here, and you want to click on create pin. So you want to upload the image as you can see right here, and you want to type in something captivating to make people want to get this gift card, and you want to write something like limited to first 50 people only. Okay, and you want to basically leave the shorten link right here because that is exactly what this page right here is doing. So now you want to do the same thing for as many offers that you can find on Cpagrip from any country of your choice. All right, because Pinterest gets almost 1 billion visits every single month. So it doesn't matter the size of your account, you can still get a lot of traffic. So basically that is the first traffic source you can use. The second traffic source is by coming over to reddit.com and you want to type in free in the search bar right here. And you want to filter the result to communities. You can see this is a subreddit right here. So you can see this subreddit right here says you can post or you can give away free stuff. So basically all you just need to do is to create a post right here by clicking on this create post. So once you come over to this subreddit, you want to basically type in enter for a free $250 gas gift card. And you want to also type in limited to first people only. And you want to highlight this right here. So once you do that, you want to click on this link and you want to paste in your shortened link right here. Okay, so once you do that, all you just need to do is click on insert. And once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on post right here. So once you click on post, a lot of people are going to see this post on this subreddit right here. So another subreddit you can do this is this freebies right here. You can see they have over 800,000 members on this subreddit. So basically you want to repeat the same thing on this subreddit. You can see right here, they give away anything for free and they give away free stuff on this subreddit as well. You can see over 833,000 members, and you can see they currently have 8,000 people online right now. So you want to basically click on create right here again. So you can basically repeat the same thing as you did on this subreddit right here. If you combine this with Pinterest, you are going to be getting a lot of traffic to your CPA offers and you can start making money. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any useful information, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.